Yeah, it's officially the biggest midget in the game. I don't know. Make way for the SOB.
For given example, base class shape, polymorphism enables the programmer to define different area methods for any number of derived classes such as circles, rectangles, and triangles, no matter what shape an object is. Applying the area method to it will return the correct result. Polymorphism is considered to be a requirement of any true object-oriented programming language. Polymorphism supports for language deficiency. Overloading a function allows a function call to have different type. It is a device a method of simulating function overloading, because PHP does not support it. It is much easier to implement in a function with an if-else statement. Loaded that tests the type of the actual argument and executes statements that correspond to the argument type. This technique may result in monolithic function or a function implementation that is too knowledgeable of multiple class hierarchies. The programs loading with the function overloading allow to accept the lack of this language feature and how to consider about other concepts. Implementation of two methods, area method and area unit method, with the abstract class called shape initializes color with calling getColor method. 11 parameters are passed to the function. Construct method with $color, $.2, $h, private variables. Also, inside the hash area, it is passing function construct method with the use of $name parameter. Compiler understand the function that have to be executed at the 11th moment, once parameters are passed in the main program. Inheritance, a class can be used as more than one type. It can be used as its own type, any base types or any interface type if we implement interface. Polymorphism is important not only to derived classes but to the base classes as well. Anyone using the base class could in fact be using an object of the derived class that has been cast to the base class types. Designers of a base class can anticipate the accept of their base class that are like to change for a derived type. In C#, every type is polymorphism. Types can be used as their own type or as an object instance, because any type automatically treats the object as a base type. Within this example, you can easily identify the base class and the derived class with the same type of field and attributes. When a derived class inherits from base class, it gains all the methods, fields, properties and events of the base class. To change the data and behavior of a base class, you have two choices. One is you can replace the base member with a new derived, or you can override a virtual base member. Replacing the member of a base class with a new derived never requires the new keyword. If a base class defines a method, field, or property, the new keyword is used to a new definition of that method, field, or property on a derived class. The new keyword is placed before the return type of class member that is being replaced. When the new keyword is used, the new class members are called instead of the base class members that have been replaced. Those base class members are called hidden members. Hidden class members can still be called if an instance of derived class is passed to an instance of the base class. It is important to note the prototype property. This property is declared abstract, meaning that a derived implementation must override it and return some relevant string. This is similar to the inflate method admitting that it exposes properties or methods that derived classes must override, but which automobile doesn't need to know anything about. Automobile wants to the derived class to return something relevant to it, but doesn't care what. Next, we will move on to an example with containing abstract class called automobile with several properties, abstract properties and methods. The automobile class in the interface. In that, it defines an interface that classes will derive from. You can't directly instantiate it through new automobile method because it is not an implementation. However, you can cast derived types to the automobile type. In this sense, it defines a common interface across many derived implementations. From the example, let's say we want a high level of abstraction. In that, there are various types of cars and we want to target that. It is possible for classes to inherit from automobile, but to also be an interface it can't be directly instantiated. But any class can inherit additional properties or method from it.